This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Olivia Sawyer. Beautiful, custom-built Cape Cod on a private, fenced, acre lot in the coveted Monticello Woods. Spacious 4-bed, 3.1 bath floor plan featuring first floor master suite with recently updated master bath and walk-in tiled shower. Large, eat-in kitchen with granite counters, breakfast bar, premium stainless steel appliances and more. Formal dining room, formal office, a fantastic full finished room above the garage and amazing storage space with huge closets throughout. Perfect for entertaining, the sizable and private fenced backyard offers an easy to maintain trex deck with additional patio space and storage shed. Enjoy the Monticello Woods community pool and clubhouse. Minutes to Colonial Williamsburg, restaurants, grocery, shopping, entertainment.